Hey friends, welcome back. Hey everybody, it's been a while, but in today's video I just wanted to quickly share to you some lip combos from Daiso. It's my first time to be trying this one. I went to Daiso recently and I saw this lip liner from Daiso and this lip gloss from Daiso, which kind of interesting. I've never seen lip liner from Daiso. I guess I don't know, because it's been a while since I've been to Daiso, so kind of interesting. And let's all try this, and yeah, let's get started. By the way, guys, before I forget, this is only 100 yen, and also this is only 100 yen. This is from the brand Your Glam lip liner, and I got the shade in brown, and this one I don't know what brand from the, I think this is just a standard Daiso product, and I got the pink beige color ones. I'm just gonna quickly wipe off the lip balm that I applied earlier. So here we go. This is brown. I don't know if it's really brown. Kind of excited. So here we go. Feels creamy. So basically from the color of my lips, I don't know if you could tell from the camera, but usually the camera doesn't tell the actual color, but to me from the mirror, it doesn't look brown. It looks kind of peachy. Weird. Yeah. It doesn't look cool either. Yeah. See? Kind of looks peachy. Kind of bum. I wanted a brown one. Yeah, definitely this says brown, but... And also, this is made in China. Designed in Japan. What does it mean? Made in China, but designed in Japan. Comment in the comment section below what does it mean to you. Made in China, but designed in Japan. It doesn't look brown. It looks peachy. I'm spam. I got spam. My lips, it's really feeling very dry. So, is it possible that you could apply lip liner and talking at the same time? Okay, this is how the lip liner looks like. So, doesn't look brown at all. Looks peachy to me. But overall, it doesn't feel dry or sticky. It feels comfortable. Maybe because I applied a lip balm earlier, I guess. So better apply lip balm first to nourish your lips, so that, yeah. So it looks pretty standard lip liner or lip pencil. So now let's move on to our gloss. I won't be applying too much of this because I'm not a lip person, for those who do not know. So I'm just gonna apply just the right amount for me because I cannot stand the stickiness. That is, if this feels really sticky. Hopefully this will not feel very sticky and icky and blah blah blah, because I really don't like that feeling. So here's the color. To me it looks almost the same with the color of the lip liner. So this is pink beige and my lip liner is brown. So here we go. Doesn't feel like, color doesn't look like pink beige. It looks like orange or peachy still. But Doesn't feel sticky. Yeah, and heavy. Wow, surprisingly, it doesn't feel heavy. Wow. So let's add more. So I think this is it. This is the uh, most tolerable amount of gloss that I could apply on my lips because I won't be wearing mask, and this would definitely go to my mask because obviously this is not a non-transferable lip product. Oh, I mess up here. Okay, we're done. So overall, I think the lip liner looks good. What do you think? So this is how our lips looking like. This is lip liner is brown and gloss is pink beige. What do you think? Looks pretty peachy to me. Still pretty peachy, not brownie. Yeah. Think lip liner's okay. This is only 100 yen. You cannot beat the price. Definitely it's okay. If you go to Daiso, highly recommend this. This is a very good cheap product if you are interested in lip liner and don't want to invest on something really expensive, because if you go to the drugstore, especially here in Japan, you cannot find a lot of lip liner. They are not into lip liners, so it's very rare to see a lip liner available here in Japan. So if you just wanted to something that you would line your lips with, and yeah, better check Daiso. This is I think they have some colors available, other colors as well. So I got, but I think they have the pinky beige, pink brown, yeah, and then the more berry colored lip liner. But it just so happened that I wanted something neutral on my lips for an everyday look. So yeah, give it give it a go, guys. Yeah, it is a decent lip liner. And for the gloss, I think this one uh, looks pretty good as well. It's not sticky. It doesn't have any smell or something. Yeah, let me smell again. Yeah, it doesn't have that weird sweet smell at all, because personally I don't like something that has a very potent very strong fragrant near my nose, because I have allergy. So yeah, definitely if you are not fanatic with high fragrance lipsticks or lip products, yeah, definitely a good lip gloss topper, I guess, if you have your lipstick and I wanted shine, because definitely it added shine on my lips, I guess, in a subtle way. And also, big thing with this is it's not sticky. That is just my personal preference, because I don't like stickiness on my lips because it bothers me so much. So overall, I think I like this combo together. Recommend the lip liner from Your Glam and also this standard brand from Daiso. Yeah, so if you happen to go to Daiso, better check this one and this one, because yeah, you can beat the price and quality as well. So check it out. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this one, and also yeah, I hope to see you on my next video. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. Wow, I miss saying that one. So yeah, thank you once again, and hope to see you on the next one, everybody. Bye.